Nina udhocha ingi, tuende na mbee kumanithia. Nzama ya kuandika alimu ya TSC niyaweta kana nikumanenga yanya ya mbee ya kuandika alimu ala meikwatiwa kusomethya amanyiw'a ma junior secondary nthini wa iseso yila meutwaiisya kwi mwaini wa mbee mwakani tuendete nthini wa livoti ya mbee ya Nzama ya mwanya ila ikuthiana kisomo cha CBC niwetete kana silikali nikuandika alimu 3,300 ma kusomethya kisomo ki cha CBC na vala kuyanana na ofisa munene wa TSC Nancy Macharia ni kana kwao yume na unyivu wa alimu 6,600 skuluni cia secondary Kenya yonthe. Angelina Mose nukueleza mbiange.
Ainene ava kauntini ya Mombasa kavindani kala wavingwa container ya mitiani ya KCSE na ila yambi ya muthenyani wa umuthi vanthi ya Kenya. CEO Nzama ya uthukumi wa alimu vanthi ya Kenya Nancy Macharia ni wombula kana vena unyivu wa alimu 3,300 maskulu ni ma secondary vala waweta kana alimu asu 3,300 ni makuvikia kutethesya vanene nthini wa yanya yu vala makuvikia kunenga ivuso maskulu ma junior secondary kwi alimu asu makuvikia kuandikwa mwakani ukite.
Already in secondary schools, that's where we have the highest deficit at 68,000, and this grade 7, of course, now in the CBC structure joins what we used to call secondary because it's junior secondary, and therefore we shall use some of these teachers for the junior secondary, as well as we have some for primary schools, and the rest will go to the 844 as we know it, but that is what TSC, the modalities that we are working on, so that in January we recruit these teachers.
Macharia ni wombula kana TSC ni yithitwo yandika alimu 5,000 kila mwaka aiweta kana yumo vea unu kuendea na walanyo uwa alimu 3,300 kila mwaka zikayone cia kusuisya yanya ya unyivu wa alimu mbee wa 1,013 maskulu ni onthe vanthi ya Kenya.
Government has been very kind to us to give us 30,000 teachers to employ. You know we already have a deficit of 116,000 in this country, so, and we have previously been employing 5,000 teachers every year, so that 1,000 will go a long way in trying to reduce this deficit.
Engine wawetakana movia uno usiokia mavundi sio ma alimu ma CBC na ula ukuwetakana nuna ungametu ni kumana na unyuvani munene ula watuwe mwaini wa yanya aiwetakana silikali ni kuvundisya alimu 3,300 ma class cha grade 7 nthini wa maskulu ma junior secondary.
Remember we started training before the working party was put in place. We had when the junior secondary was going to secondary, we had started training, but we didn't finish because when the new government came into place, then we had the working party, and therefore we still have those funds, and we can train some teachers at least to start with the grade 7.
Kavindani kaunake musumbuili Ruto ainena kavindani kala wakusia kuithwa kithitu kwa andiki atenika 51 vomani nene ya silikali State House musini wa ilovini wombula kana Nzama ya TSC ni kumaandika alimu 3,300 mwaini wa mbee mwakani tuendete nikenda kutethesya kisomo cha CBC.
We have also authorized as government the Teacher Service Commission to hire the largest ever cohort of teachers. 30,000 teachers will be hired by January so that they can help us deliver on the most important component of preparing citizens of this country, that is education. And we will make the necessary resources available. And we have asked TSC to give priority to the teachers that are CBC compliant.
Ruto ni wakule movia wa kisomo wiki kana ni weki ya malanyo mailu kutonethya kukilanilya nesa kwa asiana ungu wa mutalatala o imbia wa CBC.
It is my expectation that the Ministry of Education will move with speed to ensure that there is synergy and there is seamless transition of all our children under the new CBC education curriculum. Mimi nataka niwaulize wazazi wote, hawa watoto ni watoto wetu na ni jukumu letu pia kufuatilia vile wanavyosoma shuleni, kuwasaidia na homework, kuwasaidia na ile kazi wamepewa kule shuleni. Lakini kama serikali tumepatiwa mapendekezo ya kwamba kwa kiasi tuweze kupunguza gharama hasa kwa wazazi.
Amanyiw'a ngili maana nyanya na miongo nyanya na ana maana eli na miongo thanthatu na ata nimo makwikalila mutiani uu wa KCSE vanthi ya Kenya. Macharia iweta kana nimosete aungamii ma mutiani uu ngili 10 na maana ana 13 nthini wa iseso sionthe ovamo na masupervisor ngili 11 na maana 332 na invigilators ngili miongo 49 yana yimwe na miongo 27. Livoti ya vilingi wa mauvo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa ni itawa Angelina Mose.